Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, August 2, 2023. The Reggae Girls made history today when they became the first Caribbean team to advance to the round of 16 in any FIFA World Cup tournament. The girls secured their spot in the knockout round after a draw with Brazil. Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Sport Minister Olivia Grange both congratulated the team on their exceptional performance since the start of the tournament. Goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer was also commended for being named Player of the Match with her stunning performance in saving 8 goals from the net. Jamaica is now on 5 points, having placed second in Group F behind France on 7 points. The Reggae Girls will play the winner of Group H in the round of 16, which is scheduled for August 8. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is calling on Jamaicans to embrace a positive and uplifting mindset as they work to improve their lives and impact future generations. In his Emancipation Day message, Mr. Holness said Jamaicans had a duty to use their freedom to improve their lives.
Today, in the information age, we are being bombarded by all kinds of information, which, without context and discernment, can imprison us in negativity and impact our mind, prospects, and mental health.
Meanwhile, leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, used his Emancipation Day message to advocate for unity.
This Emancipation Day, let us carry the spirit of hope and unity in our hearts throughout the coming year. Let us use it as a catalyst for positive change and collective progress. Together, we can build a Jamaica that embodies the ideals of justice, freedom, and equality of access to opportunity for all.
The Honorable Audrey Sewell is the new Cabinet Secretary. Her appointment took effect on August 1. Subsequently, her previous role as Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation has been assigned to Arlene Williams. Another change is the appointment of Ambassador Rocky Mead as Permanent Secretary for the Office of the Prime Minister. These posts also became effective on August 1. All 3 appointments were on the recommendation of Prime Minister Andrew Holness and were approved by the Governor-General. In a release, Mr. Holness said the government had every confidence in their exceptional expertise and unwavering dedication to serving the people of Jamaica. This, he indicated, would undoubtedly contribute significantly to the progress and development of the nation. The individuals are tasked with improving service delivery and efficiency in government to build on significant gains being made. The donation of a 1,000-gallon water tank has increased the storage capacity at the Duckenfield Primary School in St. Thomas. The kind gesture was made by Courts Ready Cash through its Corporate Social Responsibility program. The tank will improve water supply at the school for the new academic year. Acting Senior Education Officer for Region 2, Liebert Drysdale, says it will prevent disruption of school operations due to lack of water.
These water tanks will enhance the storage capacity of our schools and, more importantly, reduce the number of days schools are closed because of the unavailability of water.
Brand manager for Courts Ready Cash, Suzanne Campbell, says the company is targeting a limited number of primary and secondary schools to increase water harvesting and storage capacity.
Courts Ready Cash has commenced the donation of 10 water tanks, and we're looking at $1 million worth of water tank.
And finally, Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett is urging delinquent tourism employers to match the 5% contribution by workers in the Tourism Workers Pension Scheme. Minister Bartlett made the call at the first annual general meeting of the scheme held recently at the Montego Bay Convention Center. He says the performance of the pension scheme as of July 21 this year shows contributions totaling $876 million from 6,214 contributors. The minister has expressed concerns about some employers not matching the 5% contribution. He is also suggesting that employees contribute up to 10% of their earnings to ensure a higher pension yield. Meanwhile, Minister Bartlett emphasizes the value of the scheme as a tool to spur economic development and provide tax-free investment opportunities for the tourism industry. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.